Aspire makes worlds collide with the Tigon kit. The Tigon kit brings MTL and DTL vaping styles together in an easy-to-use kit. Ain't got time to wait for a review and just want the mod already? Hop on over to vapewild.com by checking out the link in the top right corner. The Tigon stick itself has a built-in 2600 mAh battery that will give you life to last the day. The stick has the typical built-in protections we've come to expect in most mods, but it also has bypass mode, which I found rather interesting for an internal battery stick mod. Outside of that, the mod itself is rather ordinary. Now the tank, on the other hand, that's something to marvel at. The Tigon tank has a 3.5 milliliter capacity, comes with two coils, a 0.4 ohm coil for regular e-liquid and a 1.2 ohm coil for nic salts, and is packed with a host of cool tricks and features. First, this tank is a top fill. Just pull up and push back to get your tasty goodness in your atomizer. Next, the adjustable airflow allows you to swap between a fully open slot airflow for direct-to-lung vaping or 5 holes for a more restricted mouth-to-lung vape. Swapping the coils themselves is crazy easy too. Simply unscrew the bottom of the tank, pull the coil out, and pop it back in. It gets better though. When you pull the coil out, the spring-loaded wick port cover comes down to save you from dumping the tank or from it dripping everywhere. It also comes with 2 drip tips catering for either MTL or DTL vaping. And no, I didn't forget, the flavor comes through amazingly on this device in both MTL and DTL setups, and the cloud production is on point. Overall, this kit has Win written all over it. Well, it actually has Aspire written all over it, but never mind that. Get your Tigon at Vape Wild today. And now I want a liger.
God, eat the dang food, Tina. God.